Atlas World have a long history of working with LeGrand across projects in Northern Ireland, so it was a natural decision to collaborate with them on the Nursecall system upgrade at Victoria Court Nursing Home. The existing system consisted of multiple devices, and due to their age they were beginning to fail. After discussions with the new owners, an upgrade was designed using the state-of-the-art Aidcall Nursecall system, incorporating a Bluebell paging system which allows the system to operate in silent mode. This helps reduce stress levels for residents who are not disturbed by buzzers every time someone needs attention. This was in line with the owner's ethos to use the most up-to-date systems available as part of their plan to make Victoria Court the best care home. The system is capable of triaging calls so staff know which resident requires attention first. Each room has a wireless call point and display screen, meaning the staff can see where the next call is without having to go back to the nursing station. Aidcall is not just a nurse call system, it's a management system for today's healthcare environment. Low running costs combined with easy installation and the amount of information stored puts Aidcall in a league of its own.